Hey y'all, so we're going to do a little bit of lock reconstruction. So this is the before. Okay, you see all the extra hair right there? I'm going to take it and wrap it all the way down. This is going to cut out the frizziness and it's going to make it look neat. So it won't be extra hair sticking out. Then I'm going to take it, palm roll that thing, bow. And there you go. Talking about hanging by a thread. So this needle here is like a magic wand, I swear. Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. So we're going to part off that section where a lock should go. So this poor lock here had 3 dead bodies hanging from it. We're going to put those to use. So I'm going to take that top and put them all in starter locks. I'll have another video for that. I'm going to take his old lock and place it to one side of his comb coil. Then take the needle on the opposite side and start pulling his hairs through. I'm filling it up and down to make sure it's starting to get hard. That's how I know it's secure. Isn't that lovely there? I'm going to do the exact same thing with the rest of the comb coils. Then go ahead and double strand them and save you the work. Oh, it's in there. You also might want to get you a thimble or something because these needles will tear your thumbs up. I'm used to it now though. Please like the video and subscribe. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow my Instagram page. I did my first 4